There's nothing worse than finding a new scratch on your car's surface. Now, whether it's light scratches or swirls, they can easily be removed without the need for expensive repairs at a body shop. Today I'm going to show you how to safely remove these scratches using Turtle Wax's Scratch Repair and Renew. Today we're going to be working on a 2019 Jeep Wrangler that we recently took off-roading. Along the way we picked up a few new nicks and scratches, and we're going to try to get it looking new again. To start this process, you need a freshly washed and dried vehicle. Then check the scratch and examine the depth. A simple test to see if the scratch can be fixed is to rub your fingernail over it. If your nail catches, the scratch may be too deep and you may not be able to completely repair it. Mark the scratch with painter's tape, placing the tape 1 inch above and 1 inch below the scratch in order to help guide the application process. Apply the Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew with a microfiber cloth in a back and forth motion for 30 seconds with firm finger pressure. Wipe dry with a clean microfiber towel and inspect the area to confirm the scratch has been removed. If necessary, reapply Scratch Repair and Renewal until the scratch becomes clear or invisible.